Good evening, I'm Alex Dierckman. State Road 37 in Bloomington has one lane open to southbound traffic, but northbound traffic is still closed and has been since yesterday after a fuel tanker truck overturned at the intersection of State Road 37 and Vernal Pike. Bloomington police officials say the tanker truck was unable to stop at a red light and hit two other cars. The driver of the tractor trailer, a 48-year-old female, said she felt ill and did not recollect the accident, according to the Bloomington Police Department. The first vehicle hit carried a 45-year-old woman who sustained severe injuries and was transported to the Methodist Hospital in Indianapolis. The second passenger, a 14-year-old woman, also sustained serious injury and was transported to Riley Children's Hospital in Indianapolis. The driver of the second vehicle involved in the accident was a 57-year-old woman. She sustained only minor injuries. Uninsured Hoosiers will soon be able to start signing up for coverage under the Affordable Care Act. Indiana Hospital Association spokesman Brian Tabor says many of the 160 facilities his organization represents will begin rolling out programs next month. He says the goal will be to balance $4 billion in Medicare cuts over the next 10 years with services to new patients. President Obama recently extended the deadline for businesses to provide health insurance for part-time employees working 30 hours a week or more. Tabor says that is creating some uncertainty for hospitals because they will have to wait to see how many people end up enrolled in employee health plans. Howard County commissioners announced today they would not sign agreements for any new wind farms until they have time to thoroughly examine the county's ordinance. The proposal for 2 stages of the Wildcat Wind Farm owned by Eon Climate and Renewables is exempt from the moratorium, but the commissioners did put tighter restrictions on that project, increasing the distance wind turbines must be from homes and decreasing the level of noise the turbines are allowed to emit. Eon officials don't know how much the restrictions will affect the project, but say it will cut into potential profits. Some Howard County residents say the changes aren't enough and would still like to see the project abandoned. Despite showing signs of economic recovery, Indiana's unemployment rate has hovered around 8% for more than a year. The forecast is even more dire for Indiana's youth. Ball State economist Cecile Bohannon says the unemployment rate among Hoosiers aged 20 to 24 is above 12%, including 16 to 19-year-olds. It goes up to 15%. Bohannon said missing out on jobs at those ages can have negative effects throughout their working lives. And here's a look at the weather. Tonight will be mostly clear with lows in the upper 60s. Tomorrow will be partly cloudy with 92 degrees as the high. And tomorrow night mostly clear with lows in the lower 70s. And here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Wednesday will be partly cloudy. Thursday also partly cloudy. Friday expected 50% chance of thunderstorms with highs around 91 degrees and lows around 72 degrees. 86 degrees on Saturday and a 40% chance of thunderstorms, and the low will be 65 degrees. And Sunday, a 20% chance of thunderstorms with 82 degrees as the high and 61 degrees as the low. For more on these stories and other local news, go to indianapublicmedia.org. For WTIU News, I'm Alex Dierckman.